Mastering contract drafting. Essential techniques for legal agreements. Welcome to the world of contract drafting. Whether you are a law student, legal professional, or someone interested in understanding the intricacies of contracts, this chapter will provide you with a solid foundation for grasping the importance of contract drafting. Contracts are the backbone of legal agreements, governing a wide range of transactions and relationships. From business deals and employment agreements to real estate transactions and intellectual property licenses, contracts play a crucial role in ensuring clarity, rights, and obligations between parties. Importance of contract drafting. Contracts are more than just pieces of paper with signatures. They are powerful legal instruments that shape the rights, duties, and responsibilities of the parties involved. The drafting process holds immense significance in establishing the foundation for a successful contractual relationship. Understanding key elements. In the world of contract drafting, understanding key elements is paramount. These elements encompass the essential components that make a contract legally enforceable and effective. Familiarizing yourself with these elements is crucial for creating contracts that accurately reflect the intentions of the parties and stand up to legal scrutiny. Some of the key elements include 1. Offer and acceptance. Contracts are born from the mutual agreement of the parties involved. An offer is made by one party, and acceptance by the other creates the basis of a contract. 2. Consideration. Contracts must involve an exchange of something valuable between the parties. This can be in the form of money, services, goods, or even a promise not to do something. 3. Legal purpose. For a contract to be valid, its purpose must be lawful. It cannot involve illegal activities or contravene public policy. 4. Capacity. All parties involved in a contract must have the legal capacity to enter into it. This means they must be of sound mind, not under duress or coercion, and meet any specific legal requirements for certain types of contracts. Pitfalls to avoid. While understanding key elements is essential, it is equally important to be aware of common pitfalls in contract drafting. These pitfalls can lead to ambiguity, disputes, or even render the contract unenforceable. By recognizing and avoiding these pitfalls, you can ensure that your contracts are precise, comprehensive, and protect the interests of all parties involved. Some common pitfalls to watch out for include 1. Ambiguity and vague language. Using unclear or ambiguous language can create confusion and leave room for interpretation, potentially leading to disputes. Contracts should be written with clarity and precision to leave no room for misinterpretation. 2. Incomplete or missing provisions. Contracts should address all necessary terms and conditions to avoid any gaps or omissions. Failure to include important provisions can leave parties exposed to unforeseen risks or liabilities. 3. Failure to consider contingencies. Anticipating potential future events or circumstances is crucial in contract drafting. Failing to account for contingencies can leave parties vulnerable if unexpected situations arise. 4. Inadequate risk allocation and liability provisions. Contracts should properly allocate risks and define liability provisions to protect the interests of all parties involved. Failure to do so can result in one party assuming an unfair or disproportionate burden of risk. 5. Neglecting changes in circumstances. Contracts should account for the possibility of changes in circumstances that may impact the agreement. Failing to address these changes can render the contract ineffective or impractical in the long run. By familiarizing yourself with these potential pitfalls, you can take proactive measures to avoid them and ensure the contracts you draft are comprehensive, accurate, and in the best interest of your clients or parties involved. Understanding the significance of contract drafting and recognizing the key elements and pitfalls are crucial steps toward becoming an effective contract drafter. In the chapters ahead, we will delve deeper into each of these aspects, providing you with practical insights, tips, and techniques to enhance your contract drafting skills. So, let's embark on this journey together and unlock the secrets to masterful contract drafting. By the end of this series, you'll possess the knowledge and confidence to create contracts that are clear, enforceable, and protect the rights and interests of all parties involved.